Hey guys, what's up channel? How you guys doing? It's me, Gamey Podiki Cool Boys. Hi guys, please subscribe, hit the button, comment below, like, subscribe, subscribe, follow my TikTok and Instagram, and yeah, let's go guys. So here, I want to show you today what every thing. Oh yeah. So, this is my TikTok account. I want to show you now. And create a camera like that. Mm. So here is my TikTok account. Wait, here's my TikTok account. It's Ben6. This is my account. See? This is my account. So yeah. Yeah. So when you go to now here, to my here, you go name, and here, here. So go to my YouTube. Guys, see those videos here? Oh yeah, and I'm doing Fortnite season 6 video. I think now, I don't know, tomorrow. I don't know. I'm doing season 6 video. Not today, I think. I don't know, today or tomorrow. No, I think maybe tomorrow. I think. Yeah, so I'm doing this. And yeah. This is my videos. This weekend was. See how much video I did? 4 videos. Yeah. Doing my best to get like more subscribers. Right? I don't know what happened here. Guys, here. Hi guys, please get me 100k, please. I'm making a YouTube channel. Guys, this is before I said the first time my video. Get me 100k because I wanna get 100k because this is the moment I wanna get more subscribers. You guys do it? You do it. Because yeah, this is quite a things there. Yeah, so yeah. I put music on. Oh, this is something. So yeah, guys, I'm looking at something here. Yeah. And one thing, if you come my video, if new people come in my video, please subscribe, like, comment below, and yeah. So I'm gonna show you something, guys. Something. Yeah, I'm gonna say to you. I don't know what day on PS5 before something. Because, yeah. They think, also I saw in GameStop, they think will only like, I don't know. If they saying something is coming back, I don't know. That's real. I don't know. No, I'm not game, GameStop. Console. What? Click all these. Ready to create. No, you don't have to. You can see. That's so bad. So yeah. Please subscribe my channel and yeah. We'll play music on something. Yes, yes, yes. Okay guys, I want to show my screen now. Wait. I need to get something. Mm, mm, okay, I want to show my screen. Okay. Thank you. I don't know if you guys see it, but okay, see. Yes, Hello gaming, welcome to me. You can now in fire video chat fans think Zoom would users stream to Facebook and YouTube table and from your rooms. If you have a question to please email us. We are in a for your feedback. You can now how these text. Yesterday happened that they are something it's not working. How is it not working? They said about um, uh Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Please subscribe my channel and yeah, and Gaming Pro DK's Cool Boys. Please subscribe that channel, my channel, and yeah. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Comment below. See you the video. See you guys next time. And please subscribe and like it. Follow me TikTok and Instagram. Thank you guys. Bye.